So y'all gonna need three tools. The first one is the MSR 605X. It's $82 on Amazon. Everything I talking about, everything I'm getting is from Amazon. You can get this one, or you can get the MSR X6, which is portable, but this is the one I got. The next thing you're gonna need is JCOP cards. You gotta make sure they say unfused, and it's the J2A040 kind. If it don't say unfused, then they're not gonna work. So you have to make sure they say unfused. Next thing you're gonna need is an Omni key. This is the one I have. It's 1625. They got other versions as well, but this is just the one I have right here. So after y'all have these three things, then you're gonna need the softwares. I sell the software pack in my Telegram. I have a good deal going on, so yeah, y'all hit my Telegram for that. First software you're gonna need is X2. This is what you're gonna be using to clone the card, putting all the information on there. There are a lot of fakes going around, so y'all have to be careful. Make sure y'all don't get scammed. If you can drag it around, then it's the fake one. The real one you can't drag around, like this one right here. Everything fully functional. Not gonna go into depth on how to clone because a lot of videos already on YouTube. But if y'all need a step-by-step breakdown or a full walkthrough, y'all can hit my Telegram. I'm gonna have it in the description. So yeah, this is the first one y'all need. Next thing you're gonna need is CARDPEEK. This is to check your work after you clone the card. Then y'all gonna need the ATR. You need this. You need the ATR to hit ATMs. If you don't have the ATR tool, you are not gonna hit ATMs. And it's a set. You gotta set the ATR to the same bank of your dump. So if you got a Bank of America dump, then you need to set the ATR to Bank of America. Next, you're gonna need the ARC tool, ArcGen. This is also, you need this to go to the ATM as well. So you're gonna need this. You need JCOP. JCOP is to delete the blank data on the blank card. So once you get the blank cards, you're gonna have data on there. And you need this tool right here to delete those files and then format it. Last but not least, you're gonna need MSR, the software, MSRX. This is to write the mag strip on the back of the card. You put your track 1 right here, the track 2 right here. Like I said, I got a full tutorial and a breakdown and a walkthrough on my Telegram. So y'all make sure y'all hit me up on my Telegram. I also sell CCs. I sell sites, legit sites where you can get dumps. And I got a bin list and all of that. Oh yeah, one more thing. The IST folder. You need the right IST file for your dump. So you see the first six numbers right here is the bin number. That gotta match the dump. So let's say, where is it? I don't have my dump right there. Let me see. Okay, your dump right here. So the first 6 numbers right here, you gotta have the right IST file for that dump. If you don't have the right IST file, you're not gonna hit the ATMs.